Assalamualaikum. I'm back with another speaker service video. The speaker you are looking at on the side is called Xlab and the model is M-208. As you can see in the circuit I opened, there was a 2-pin wire attached to the circuit. We opened and found that this board has been worked on before. Basically, this speaker brought to us powerless. The speaker was delivered to us unlocked and without any screws. It was repaired. They used a power circuit called SMPS. We will try to modify here so that we can make it stable with something else. As you can see, we have a transmitter with 12 volts, a capacitor and a diode. We will use these three things here. Stay with us and watch the full video. This diode will basically supply 12 volts here. Using our transmitter is 12 volt, capacitor using 35 volt and 2200 UF. Before finally opening the circuit, we just want to check the cable to see if the cable could be the problem. Checking and checking. Oh, we got it. The problem is not actually in the circuit. Actually, cable problem. Wow, that means no need to change any kinds of transmitter, transformer. Actually, need to connect a new cable with power system. Okay, let's see how to connect the power supply system and the cable. We're just connecting, soldering now, and it's time to check it's okay or not. Okay, let's see. We're trying to check. Plug in and switch on. Then try to see the lead. Yes, it's okay. Congrats. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, comments and share and must be subscribed to our channel. Thank you very much.